Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lettuce salad dressing at home step by step. Gather your ingredients and tools before starting. A bowl, whisk, fresh lettuce, olive oil, vinegar, mustard, salt, and pepper. Follow simple ratios and taste as you go to balance acidity and fat. I'll walk you through emulsifying, seasoning, and adjusting texture so your dressing clings beautifully to lettuce. You'll get a bright, silky dressing that transforms ordinary greens. Let's lock in the basic ratios that make dressings reliable every time. Use a 3:1 oil to acid ratio as a starting point and adjust to taste. Add 1 teaspoon mustard or honey to help emulsify and balance flavors. Season gradually with salt and pepper, and finish with fresh herbs or grated garlic for brightness and depth that complements lettuce. These guidelines let you improvise confidently with different oils, vinegars, and seasonings. Master simple techniques to make a silky dressing that clings to lettuce. Start by whisking acid and mustard, then slowly stream in oil to emulsify, or blend for a faster, creamier result. Taste and adjust seasoning, chill for 30 minutes for flavors to meld, and shake or re-emulsify before serving if separation occurs to restore texture and shine. Use a mason jar to shake small batches and warm the oil slightly for better emulsions with heavier herbs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.